Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go down here, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on family plan here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Until you select if you want to select your lifetime or 1 year or 1 month here. So just add here 1 month for example here, then just wishing to open video here this list like this. You click here on add credit or debit card, then add it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you to add it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.